It's time to start picking the Dixie Lee peas. Dixie Lee peas are a type of black-eyed pea, except they have a much milder flavor. I got a half a bushel on a little over half of a row. I'll give all of the vines to the goats. Just from looking at the plants, I didn't think they had this many peas on them, but that was quite a lot, a half a bushel in just a little over half a row. When you prepare them, some of them you want as shell outs, and then you want to leave some of them as green, and you cook them just like you would green beans. They also freeze very well. The Roma 2 green beans are about 4 to 6 inches tall, so it's time to fertilize them with some of the rabbit manure tea. This Mexican sunflower is almost as tall as the windmill. Actually, it is taller than the windmill. And like I've said before, butterflies and hummingbirds love it. I'm going to pick off all the old cucumbers and give them to the pigs. And then on this trellis, I'm going to plant peas. I decided to go around the garden and just gather up everything that was past its prime and just go ahead and give it to the pigs. I think there's a mixture here. The goats, the chickens, and the pigs, I think, are all going to like this stuff. This late in the summer, everything's a little tired of garden veg. I thought for sure a fight would break out over that watermelon, but nobody seems interested in it. Well, now Vernon's decided to try it. Stacy's trying to sneak in. I'm going to pull off all the old cucumber vines and I'm going to burn them because they're always full of disease. It's over 90 degrees today, but I'm going to go ahead and plant some peas. All of this I'm going to go throw in the burn barrel. If your local greenhouse sells bulk seeds like this, it is by far the cheapest way to buy them. Here I got a half a pound for $5. I'm going to plant the seeds about an inch apart. And cover them like maybe an inch, inch and a half deep. It's supposed to get close to 100 next week, so I'm going to water these at least every other day until they're good and established. My dad dug the potatoes this week, and it was a pitiful harvest. We didn't get a third of what we got last year. And finally, Judy is adjusting well. She's made some new friends this week. Judy says, please like and subscribe.